Hey guys, work truck time. Got some Gypsy Heritage and 3 packs of Gypsy Queen. So let's start with the Gypsy Queen. How's that? Get this thing open here. First pack here. There we go. Let's hope I do a little better than I did with a blaster the other day, which I didn't get much of anything. Max Kepler. I do like these cards. Ben Gamel. Nicky Delmonico. Oh, I got one of these the other day. This one's better. I like this better. This is one of these tarot cards. Chris Sale. That makes me happy. Cole Calhoun. And Jordan Zimmerman. That's pack number 1. I forget who I got the other day. Sorry. There you go. Cody Bellinger. Pepino. Trey Turner. I don't know if we got any Senators guys out there. Andre. Sorry. Andrew Stevenson. Lesta. Johnny Lesta. Another Red Sox. Dustin Pedroia. And finally, for Aaron, Brad Ziegler of the Milwaukee Brewers. And last one, and then we got the green parallels because I bought one of those things. So let's see what we got here. Marcus Semien, Carlos Santana from my Phillies boys. Matt Kemp. Oh, we got a fortune teller, a miniature fortune teller. Who is this? Ah, Bradley Zimmer, for all you Cleveland Indians fans. Javier Baez. And Byron Buxton. So there's your Gypsy Queen. Plus we got these 3 parallels here with Tim Anderson on top. That's nothing thrilling. Tim Anderson. But let's see, we got Tim Anderson, Buster Posey, and Justin Smoke. So nothing too exciting there. And then I bought the little hanger box of yeah, you know what they're called. Yadier. I'm gonna put them over here. Archie Bradley, Melky Cabrera, Miguel Cabrera, CJ Cron, Matt Kemp. It's not a good way to do this with one hand. Nolan Arenado for KJ. Carlos Carrasco. There's Pedroia again. Mitch Haniger. Tommy Joseph has been released. Felipe Rivero. Ian Happ. So Dustin Bellinger will like that. Jay Bruce. Jarrell Cotton. Taylor Rogers. Mike Leake. My first Decal Edge. I haven't gotten one of these. I've seen everybody else get them. I don't know who this is. Whoops. Victor Robles. Okay. Manny Machado. Anybody wants that card, they can have it. Otherwise, I'm going to burn it. Can't stand him. Joey Votto. Edison Russell. Josh Harrison. Ian Desmond. Mookie. That's good. Wilson Contreras. Ian Kinsler. Danny Duffy. Odubel Herrera for more of my Phillies guys. AJ Pollock. Kershaw spins Game 1 gem. Pino Man. Whoops. Corey Spanberg. Who's this? Rookies. We got Anderson and Peters. And for Milwaukee, we got Woodruff, Williams, and Wilkerson. Adam Wainwright. What is he, about 50 years old by now? And Joe Panic. So, nothing too exciting, but always love opening cards. Hope you guys had a great day. We'll go see what the mail has brought me, and we'll go from there. Talk to you.